2012 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, fog lights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.